Hello viewers, today we'll see the operators in Python. First is arithmetic operator, which is again categorized into two unary and binary operators. Unary meaning only one operator and one operand. Binary meaning two operands and one operator. And unary operators are used primarily with negative integers. A equal to minus 10, A equal to minus 100. So that's where the unary operator is primarily used. String operators are again two, that's concatenation, which join two strings, which brings two strings together or multiple strings together, and the replication, which is represented by asterisk, which repeatedly print the same string multiple number of times. Concatenation is represented by plus, and the next one is assignment operator, where we are just assigning a value to a variable which is equal to. Next is relational operators. These all are going to just give us the result as true or false. So less than, equal to, strictly less than, greater than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to. So here there is a difference between the assignment operator equal to, where you're assigning a value phi to the variable a, whereas here you're checking for the equality. You're checking a equal to phi, meaning you're checking whether the value of a is phi. If it is true, it returns true, else false. So that's the difference between equal to and equal to. Next, logical operators are or, and not. This again returns you as true or false. If two conditions are met, then it's and. If any one condition is met, then or returns true. If the condition is not met, then not returns true. So let's see an example for each of the operator. A equal to minus 16, minus is the operator here and A is the operand. So this is a unary operator example. When you say print A, it's just going to display minus 16, which is the value of the operator. Next, we'll see example for arithmetic operators wherein two operands and one operator. So let's say b equal to 10 and we print a. A is one operand, b is other operand, and the operator here is plus. We know a is minus 16 and b is 10. So the answer is minus 6. One operand and one operator, they are unary operator, and unary operator are primarily used with negative integers. Next, let's see c equal to 12, d equal to 5. We'll see some more binary operators. Apart from addition, we even have subtraction. So just display 12 minus 5, that's 7. And here c and d are the operands and minus is the operator. The other binary operators are, apart from plus, minus, we do have multiplication. So c into d, which does 12 fives are 60. Here c and d are the operand and asterisk is the operator. Multiplication is the operator. Next, print c divided by t. So 12 divided by 5, it gives 2.4. So the division operator here what it does is it just display the output, the quotient in decimal form. There is another division called in float division C, float division D. This returns an integer. This just gives the quotient in integer form, and the normal division gives it in the decimal form. Float division in integer form. Next, to get the remainder of the division, we can use modulus C mod D. So this gives us the remainder. That's again 2. As 12 divided by 5, it gives a remainder of 2. Quotient is also 2. Remainder is also 2. So all these are the binary operator. The next binary operator, d exponential 2, meaning power, d to the power of 2. So 5 square here is 25. Exponential is represented by 2 asterisks. So all these plus, minus, multiplication, division, float division, modulus and exponential are the binary operators. And please see the difference between the normal division and the float division. Next is the string operator. Two things are there: concatenation, that's represented by plus, and replication, that's represented by asterisk. Let's see example for this. String operators. So let's assume A is a variable name here. Variable A holds the value hello, and variable B holds the value how are you. So when we try to do A plus B here, it is not an integer, they both are string. So the plus operator here actually does the concatenation. They put the strings together, combine them together and give the output. Hello, how are you? That's what you get with plus operator in string. Let's see one more example. A equal to Vishnu, B equal to Priya, both are string values. So when we, string must be always within double quotes. So when we print A plus B, here it just concatenates, put them together. Joining the strings is called concatenation, and the operator used for that is plus. Let's see one more. A equal to new followed by one space, B equal to Delhi. So by printing A plus B, we get New Delhi with a space between new and Delhi. That's because in the first string A, we have given a space. For the other two or previous examples, we do not have the space. So that's the use of concatenation, operator string. And the next is, next we'll see for the replication. Replication just display the result multiple times. If you want to repeat the same string multiple times, we use a replication operator. So let's see an example for that. Print, I'm giving within quotes, welcome, space, asterisk, that's the replication operator 5. So it's going to print the string welcome followed by space 5 times. Repeated 5 times. The string welcome followed by space is repeated 5 times. That's the use of replication operator in string. So concatenation and replication are the two string operators. Next, assignment operator is just equal to, we are assigning a variable a value. So A equal to 5 is an integer. A equal to double quotes, you say something, that's a string. So you just say A equal to 100 and print it. It's going to just display 100. So it's been assigned the value 100 is assigned to the variable A. Next is relational operators, which is going to only display true or false. It's going to just do the comparison and gives us true or false. So if I say A equal to 100, B equal to 200, and C equal to 100, let's check some comparisons using relational operators. So A is less than B. Yes, variable A is 100, which is less than 200, so it returns true. A is lesser than or equal to C. That's again true because both are same 100. That's the value for both A and C. That's true. A is equal to B. 100. A carries a value of 100. B has the value of 200. So that returns false. A is equal to C. Yes, that's true. Both are having 100 as value. Both the variables has 100. A is not equal to B. That's again true because A holds 100 and B holds 200, which is not equal to. A is not equal to C. Just returns false because both are 100. So that's how we have to use all these relational operators. And always see the difference between the assignment operator and equal to comparison, checking for equality. That's with relational operator. Because equal to holds true for A and C, both are same. Next, logical operators or and not. This again returns true, false. A is less than B and A is equal to 100. So if this both conditions holds true, then it returns true. Yes, A is less than B and A value is same as 100. So that's true. B is greater than A and C is equal to 200. Here one of the condition is false. C value is not 200, it's 100. So this returns false. Only when both the condition holds true and operator will return true, else it returns false. B is greater than A or C is equal to 200. Here one condition is true also, or will return true. So here the first condition is true. So B is greater than A, 200 is greater than 100. So it returns true. But if both the conditions are false, even the OR will return false. B is not less than A and C value is not equal to 200. So both the conditions are false. So OR also return false. Any one condition is true, OR will return true. That's a use of OR operator. Next, we'll see not. So if the condition holds true, not will return false. If the condition holds false, then the not will return true. That's how the not operator works. C is not equal to 100 is false. The condition is false, so not return true. It just does the opposite way. C value is not equal to 100, that's false, so it returns true. The other way, not. C is equal to 100 That's true. Condition inside is true. So not will return false. Not does the opposite function of the given condition. Here the condition which we are checking is C is equal to 100, which is true. So as it holds true, the not returns false. So these are some of the examples of logical operators: or, and not. Next, we know in maths we follow BODMAS when simplifying an expression which involves multiple operators. Similar way in computer also, in Python it does have precedence among the operators. So the highest precedence goes to the order or the priority of operation is first is parenthesis, then exponential, then unary operators, then the multiplication followed by division, floor division, modulus, then comes addition and subtraction, then comes relational operators, then finally the Boolean and logical operators. So possible objectives here, which is having the highest precedence or highest priority, that's parenthesis, and the lowest is Boolean and logical operators, or the order of operation, anything they can ask. Let's see some example. 12 plus 3 into 4 minus 6 divided by 2. So here if you see multiple operators are there. So first it's going to do multiplication as per the order of operators precedence we have seen just above. So first it does 3 into 4, that's 12, minus 6 by 2. Next it's going to do the division as per the order. So 12 plus 12 minus 3. Six divided by 2 gives 3.0 because with the division we get the quotient in decimal form. So we got 3.0. Next we do the addition. So 12 plus 12, 24 minus 3.0. So the final answer will be the subtraction. That's going to be 21.0. So when we do the same thing in Python, computer internally does the same operation in the same order, and it will just directly give the output. Since we have used the normal division, we are getting the output in decimal form. If we use floor division, we can get the quotient in integer form. So next example, 12 plus 3 within parenthesis into 4 minus 6 by 2. Here the parenthesis takes the first priority. So that's 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 into 4 minus 6 by 2. Here, next asterisk, the multiplication is going to take next precedence. So that's 60 minus 6 by 2. Here again, division will return the quotient in decimal form. 60 minus 3.0. So 60 minus 3. Finally, the subtraction. So the end result is 57.0. So let's do the same thing in interactive mode of Python. It will internally do the same ordering and it displays us the output. If we try the same thing with the floor division, you can see it displays the result in the integer form. That's going to be 57. So we have BODMAS in math. Similar way, we have the order of operators in Python. Thank you.